Hi everybody, welcome back to another video of this Kenmore dishwasher. This is Cruise 1 TLM and Jerome. Here it is. The sounds of the Kenmore dishwasher. I think y'all can hear it, including you, Jerome. Very quiet. Yeah. Anyway, that was a quick view and here of the Kenmore dishwasher. And Jerome, if you're watching this, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and yeah, have a nice day. Peace and blessings for Jesus. God bless. This thing's going, so yeah. Cheers.